I saw this on Roosevelt's before the second Mandalorian drop, and I had to get it, take it out. We're gonna do another unboxing or unbagging. Ultimately, the reason for it is, you know, just trying to make sure I'm staying in sizes and I can enjoy the parties when I go to the things. So I got a double XL, which is the Rugrats shirt I'm about to show right now. So this time, to make this a little bit easier, I went ahead and already opened the bag. All right, off the bat, I really like the color from inside the bag. Let's hang it up and see what we think. I really like the color. I think the detail is really nice, super duper sharp. You could totally tell from a couple feet away that this is a Rugrats Hanukkah shirt. Just from like putting it on for the first time, I could definitely feel the 2X is a lot bigger on me. I definitely feel like I could put away some latkes and I would not be worried about how I look. I think this is nice. It feels good. The Kunaflex, as always, is really awesome. You can see all the characters on it pretty good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Use my discount code, which I've shown a couple of times. This will give you $10 off your first shirt for Roosevelt's. They're coming up with some great Black Friday deals. Definitely grab some, snag some. This is when a lot of people will get shirts that they didn't see throughout the year and they wanted to grab. Now's the time to do it. Take a look at my link down below. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys later.